Welcome to this video where we will share some tips and tricks to create a successful birthday promotion. Birthdays are special occasions that people love to celebrate, and as a business, offering a birthday promotion is a great way to attract new customers and retain existing ones. Before creating a birthday promotion, it's important to know who your target audience is. Consider the age, gender, interests, and buying habits of your customers. This will help you create a promotion that will appeal to them and increase your chances of success. To make your birthday promotion successful, you need to offer your customers an incentive that they can't resist. This could be a discount, a free product, or a special gift. Make sure your incentive is valuable enough to convince your customers to take advantage of it. To attract customers to your promotion, you need to create eye-catching promotional materials. This includes social media graphics, flyers, posters, and emails. Use bright colors, attractive images, and persuasive copy to grab your customers' attention. Creating a great birthday promotion is not enough to attract customers. You need to promote it effectively to reach your target audience. Use social media, email marketing, and in-store displays to promote your promotion. In conclusion, creating a great birthday promotion requires knowing your target audience, offering an irresistible incentive, creating eye-catching promotional materials, and promoting it effectively. By following these tips and tricks, you can attract new customers and retain existing ones, and make your customers feel more valued and appreciated.